Ever wondered what it's like to explore the vibrant streets of Bangkok? Well, let's dive in and find out. Bangkok, Thailand's capital city, is a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells that never fails to captivate the senses. This city is alive 24/7, pulsating with an energy that's both intoxicating and invigorating. Picture this. The streets are a hive of activity, buzzing with the incessant hum of conversation and commerce. Street vendors line every sidewalk, their stalls spilling over with an array of goods that range from sizzling street food to intricate handicrafts. The air is thick with the tantalizing aroma of sizzling pad thai and sweet mango sticky rice, luring in passers-by with their irresistible charm. And then there are the iconic tuk-tuks. These three-wheeled taxis, as colorful as the city itself, zip through the streets in a blur of neon and chrome. Riding in a tuk-tuk is an adventure in itself, a roller coaster ride without the safety bars. It's a whirlwind tour of the city that leaves you with wind-blown hair and a wide grin. Now let's talk about Bangkok's traffic. It's a chaotic ballet, a dance of cars, motorcycles, and tuk-tuks, each vying for space in a never-ending game of asphalt Tetris. It's a spectacle that's both nerve-wracking and oddly mesmerizing. You might think you've accidentally stepped into a high-speed video game, but rest assured, this is everyday life in Bangkok. In the heart of this organized chaos, though, there's a unique sense of harmony. It's as if the city and its inhabitants have found a rhythm, a flow that keeps everything moving, keeps everything alive. So that's a glimpse of what it's like to explore the vibrant streets of Bangkok. It's a city that's always on the move, always buzzing, always full of surprises. It's an experience unlike any other, a sensory overload that leaves you craving for more. Now, if you think the streets are lively, wait till you hear about the markets. Scene script. Ready to haggle for the best prices in the markets of Bangkok? Let's dive into the heart of the city, where the hustle and bustle of the markets never seems to cease. Imagine standing amidst a sea of vibrant stalls, each one a treasure trove of unique finds. Here, variety is the spice of life, and the markets of Bangkok are the epitome of diversity. First stop, Chatuchak Market, the mother of all markets. It's a labyrinth of over 15,000 stalls, all packed with everything you could possibly dream of, and more. Antiques, vintage vinyl records, exotic pets, and even a magical lamp or two, if you're lucky. Chatuchak is a place where Aladdin would feel right at home. Next, we venture into the neon-lit lanes of Patpong Night Market. It's a paradise for shopaholics, a nocturnal wonderland of sizzling street food, trendy fashion, and kitschy souvenirs. It's like a carnival that's open all year round. And let's not forget the counterfeit goods. If you've ever wanted a Rolex for the price of a sandwich, Patpong is your place. Now let's talk bargaining, because shopping in Bangkok's markets is a sport, a delightful dance between buyer and seller. It's a skill as honed as a gymnast's routine, as strategic as a chess game. It's your chance to go for the gold in the bargain Olympics. But remember, keep it fun, keep it friendly. It's all part of the experience. The markets of Bangkok are a sensory overload, a beautiful chaos, the scent of fragrant spices, the sound of lively chatter, the sight of a dizzying array of goods. It's a place where tradition meets modernity, where every corner holds a new discovery. But let's not forget there's more to Bangkok than just shopping. As we delve deeper into the city, we'll find that each street, each landmark, is a testament to the rich tapestry of Thai culture. But that's a story for another scene. For now, let the spirit of the market linger, let it stir your wanderlust and fuel your sense of adventure. Ever dreamt of being Indiana Jones exploring ancient temples? Well, strap on your metaphorical fedora because Bangkok's cultural landmarks are about to take you on a journey through time. Let's start with the Grand Palace, a sprawling complex that has stood as a symbol of Thailand's rich history since the late 18th century. The palace isn't just grand by name but also by nature, with its intricate designs that are a feast for the eyes. Imagine a kaleidoscope of colors, from the gold shimmering in the sun to the deep red and blues, each detail telling a story of its own. And don't even get me started on the Emerald Buddha housed within the temple walls. It's a sight to behold. And no, it's not actually made of emerald, but jade. Talk about a plot twist. Moving on, let's cross the Chao Phraya River to visit Wat Arun, or the Temple of Dawn. This is where things get a little Indiana Jonesy. The temple is adorned with a maze-like structure of stairs and pathways leading to different terraces. Now, just between us, I've lost my way more times than I'd like to admit. But hey, it's all part of the adventure, right? And who knows, you might even stumble upon some hidden treasure. Just kidding. The only treasure you'll find here is the breathtaking view of the Bangkok skyline. Now I know what you're thinking. With all these intricate designs and rich history, you must need a PhD in art history to appreciate these landmarks. Well, you're in for a surprise. These architectural wonders are just as impressive to the casual observer. So, whether you're an art enthusiast or just someone looking for a great Instagram shot, these landmarks are a must-visit. And there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour of Bangkok's cultural landmarks. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to explore and discover in this vibrant city, and after all that exploring, you're bound to get hungry. Are you brave enough to try Bangkok's infamous street food? Buckle up, food lovers, because we're diving headfirst into a culinary adventure that's going to light up your taste buds like a Christmas tree. Welcome to Bangkok's street food paradise, where every corner reveals a new dish to tantalize your senses. Let's start with Pad Thai, the superstar of Thai cuisine. Imagine a symphony of flavors with stir-fried noodles playing the melody, accompanied by the harmonious notes of shrimp, tofu, bean sprouts, and eggs. The conductor? A lip-smacking tamarind-based sauce that pulls it all together. And the best part? This mouth-watering dish is whipped up right before your eyes on a flaming wok. But don't fill up on Pad Thai just yet, because next up is mango sticky rice, a dessert that's as fun to eat as it is to say. Picture this. Juicy, golden mango slices atop a bed of glutinous rice, all drenched in a sweet coconut cream. It's the kind of dish that makes you wish you had a separate stomach just for desserts. And who knows, after a few days in Bangkok, you might just develop one. From sizzling sautés to spicy papaya salads, from steaming bowls of tom yum soup to crispy spring rolls, the variety of street food in Bangkok is a testament to the city's vibrant culinary scene. Every dish is a dance of flavors, sweet, sour, spicy, and savory, that somehow manages to hit all the right notes. And let's not forget about the drinks. Whether it's a refreshing Thai iced tea to cool down your palate or a fizzy, fermented rice drink that tastes like a wild party in your mouth, Bangkok's got you covered. So, food lovers, it's time to loosen your belts and dive into this gastronomic journey. Remember, in the street food paradise that is Bangkok, the only rule is to eat until your heart's content. Well, we've covered a lot about Bangkok, but there's always more to discover. So, do you think you're ready to take on the City of Angels? It's a question worth pondering, isn't it? As we wrap up our Bangkok adventure, let's take a moment to reflect on the vibrant journey we've been on together. We kicked things off in the pulsating heart of the city, the streets of Bangkok. They're alive, teeming with energy, a riot of color, and a symphony of sounds that never seems to end. Weaving through the lively crowds, the scent of exotic spices wafting through the air, and the kaleidoscope of sights and sounds, it's a sensory overload that captures the essence of the city like nothing else. But Bangkok isn't just about its streets, it's also about its bustling markets, where the heart of commerce beats strong. From the vibrant flower market to the teeming seafood stalls and the labyrinth of street vendors, it's here that you can feel the city's pulse, see its people, and taste its culture. It's a shopper's paradise and a foodie's dream, all rolled into one. And speaking of culture, who can forget the city's majestic cultural landmarks? The Grand Palace, Wat Arun, Wat Phra Khai, each one a testament to Bangkok's rich history and heritage. They stand tall and proud, a beacon of the city's past, present, and future. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a mention of Bangkok's street food, a culinary paradise that tantalizes the taste buds. From sizzling Pad Thai to the sweet mango sticky rice, it's a gastronomic journey that's as diverse as the city itself. So are you ready to explore, to dive in, to make your own unique memories in the City of Angels? There's no better time than now. And remember, every corner turned, every market explored, every bite taken is a step closer to understanding the soul of this beautiful city. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Bangkok, the city that never sleeps. Remember, the adventure is always in the journey, not the destination. Until next time, happy travels.